Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. There are some ingredients that we like to reserve for more fancy dishes, like pearl onions for example. Although they're very cute and make a nice presentation, they're not fun to peel. It's a tedious task unless you watch the video to find a quick and easy way to do it. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a saucepan with boiling water, we'll add the pearled onions with their skin on. We'll set the timer for 3 minutes. When time is up, we'll remove from the heat and drain them in a colander. To stop the cooking process, we'll rinse them thoroughly under cold water. If you want, you can transfer them to an ice bath. We'll let them sit to drain furthermore. Next, using a paring knife, we'll cut off both ends and peel off the skin. And, whoa, where did it go? But no, seriously, it's that easy. The job of peeling them is no longer tedious just by simply doing the blanching. See, here's another one. So in less than 5 minutes, they're all done.
As you saw in this video, by doing a couple steps, peeling them is now easy peasy. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!